Using the sermon prep, start by going into the sermon prep. Some of the mandatory information that you need to put is the scripture passage. So I'm just going to use, let's say, Genesis 1, that's chapter 1, verse, let's say 1 to 15. And I could just put a topic. Again, it's not mandatory, but let me just put a topic about, let me just call it the faithfulness of creation. See, so okay, so what I'm trying to do is to use ministry AI to create a script, a manuscript for sermon. So it is assisting me as a pastor. So this is not replacing me as a pastor. So I'll say my sermon length is half an hour, so that's average. And let's say, who am I talking to? General congregation, the young adults, children, men or women group, small group. But I'm going to leave it as general congregation basically. My tone style basically, I could leave it at any style or select anyone. So I want it to sound evangelistic, you know. And you can have that. You can have additional key themes, congregation context, anything that would enable your AI to know how to structure, what to come up with for you. So you can put that in, but I'm just going to leave that blank basically, and the next thing, click, bang, generate content. So it's working in the background, coming up with what, you know, the sermon outline would be. So this somewhat take a few times, but nothing compared with how long it will take you as a person, you know, to do all this research to come up with the outline that you need. So that is it. It's come up with, you know, some outline for us based on that topic. So basically it's saying the sermon title, the big idea is the creation reflects the faithfulness and order of God, calling us to trust and live faithfully in his responses. Put some introduction, some context in there for you. This scripture cue, it's in there for you. And then now you have point 1, God's faithfulness revealed in creation. These are the sub points, referencing the relevant Bible verses, and then other scriptures, then also cross-referencing, other Bible passages. Is cross-referencing to Psalms 33:69, and then another point there, you can see broken that down, creation as a testimony to trust in God. And then you now have the scripture, and then also cross-referencing with Matthew. You have another point there, cross-referencing. As a matter of fact, it's gone beyond 1 to 5 that I initially put there as the anchor scripture. Now you see conclusion, call to action is there, recommendation anyways, prayer points, again recommended prayer points, and then the preparation notes that you could have. So basically what we've done is we have generated a quick sermon outline, so which you can decide to edit by yourself. You can edit it by yourself, or you can regenerate. You can edit each of them or regenerate them. You can delete what you don't want, and then you can either export it, save it. I always save, and then but you can also export. It's exported into text file for you, which you can then open by yourself. So the next video will be about how you can then build a full manuscript.